Good morning, everyone. This is going to be a short episode of Crochet All Day with Karen. I apologize for that, but there's been a lot going on in my life, and both in work and with the personal life and things going on in our family. So I want to let you guys know I've made a decision, and the podcast is not going away. It's not going away, but it is going on a hiatus. I really need a couple of months off, not thinking about this podcast in the back of my mind. I need to work on my new book, which I'm so excited about. And I also need to work on some things that are going on in my personal life. And I will be back. I'm hoping for that. The goal is to be the first Tuesday in September. I'm not 100% sure that that's going to be the target, but that is the target date. So I just want to let you guys know that's what's going on. Here on YouTube, though, when I get new yarns, in fact, I'll be getting new yarns on Wednesday. I'm driving over to the west side on Wednesday to go to the doctor's. It's something I do every year. And I'm stopping at Skacel to get some yarn. So when I get home, I will record a video of all the yarns I got, and I will put it here on YouTube. And as things happen, whether it's a pattern release that needs a video or other things like that, those will go up on YouTube. But the actual podcast, I need to be able to just focus right now. And after a long weekend of crying and praying and trying to make this all work, I realized I had to let something go, and it's the podcast right now. So as soon as I can, and I'm, like I said, my goal is September, I guess it's September 3rd. That's the goal. I can't guarantee that's going to be the date, but that's the goal. So I just need a couple months off. So you guys know where to find me. You can go to my website at KarenWhooley.com, or you can shoot me an email at hello@KarenWhooley.com, or you can follow me on Instagram. I am going to try to be posting there regularly because those are in the moment kind of things. But as far as recording a podcast right now, I need all my time to get through this project with Missouri Star and get a good section of my book done. So I need to focus more. So I just wanted to let you guys know that's what's happening. And I hope you guys have a great summer. I hope you guys will follow me on Instagram. You can find me at Karen Whooley Designs, the whole thing, no spaces, no underscores, anything, Karen Whooley Designs. And make sure that if you are doing the crochet along, we're still going to have our Zoom call. If you're doing the Stitch of the Month crochet along, we are still going to have our Zooms. Next month, for those of you who are doing the Stitch of the Month in July, I am not doing a Zoom call because I am literally gone all month. So our Zoom calls will resume in August for that Stitch of the Month. But other than that, I'm here. I'm just working, and I need to focus. So thanks for understanding, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great summer, and know that I love you all. Talk to you soon.